Hello everyone. Welcome back to another fashion guide. In this styling direction, we are going to explore a very relaxed yet intelligently structured casual fashion idea that is designed for weekend coffee outing where the environment is informal, socially open and visually excessive in a natural way. In such situation, the goal of clothing is not to appear overly formal or heavily styled, but instead to achieve a balanced appearance that feels effortless while still carrying a subtle edge of modern fashion awareness, which is exactly why the combination of a miniskirt with ankle boot becomes such a strong styling formula. It creates an immediate contrast between softness and structure, between youthful energy and grounded stability, allowing the outfit to feel dynamic without losing comfort or wearability during real life movement, such as walking, sitting in cafes, or interacting socially in casual environment. When we analyze the miniskirt in this outfit more deeply, its role is not simply to shorten the silhouette but to introduce controlled visual energy into the lower half of the body, creating a lighter proportion that naturally draw attention downward in a stylish way. And when this is balanced with ankle boot that add grounded structure and slight weight to the overall look, the outfit achieves a kind of visual equilibrium where neither element dominate too aggressively. Instead, both work together to form a cohesive street style identity that feels modern, approachable, and suitable for daytime casual setting. The upper styling in this concept play a stabilizing role because it ensures that the overall outfit does not become visually unbalanced or overly sharp, and this is where soft knit top, fitted casual blouse, or lightly oversized top become essential because they introduce a gentle upper silhouette that contrasts with the structured lower half. Color direction in the outfit is especially important because casual styling relies heavily on visual harmony rather than dramatic contrast. This is why neutral tones, soft earthy shades, or balanced monochromatic combination work so effectively. They allow the outfit to remain visually calm while still highlighting the structural contrast between skirt and boot, creating a refined casual look that feels modern without being loud or overly experimental in real world social setting. Overall, this styling concept represents a modern interpretation of casual fashion where balance, contrast, and natural movement define the aesthetic outcome, allowing women to express confidence in a relaxed environment without overthinking. Thanks a lot for watching this guide with me. We will meet soon in another fashion video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep smiling. Keep supporting. Keep promoting.